Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video I want to show you how to make a simple generator using 220-volt synchronous motor guys. So as you can see, this is our synchronous motor. We have the capacitor of 160. So guys, we want to test our synchronous motor. We've already connected it to the bulb. So let's So guys, this is our rectifier, full bridge rectifier, and this is for the AC input, and here's the DC output, positive and negative guys. So we are going to connect it to this capacitor, then we connect our output wire. So this is the negative output of the rectifier, and this is negative of the capacitor as well. This is the positive of capacitor and positive for the rectifier output. So we are going to connect our output wire parallel, and we are going to put it here like this guys. So as you can see, this is our synchronous motor. Now this is for the AC input, and this is DC output parallel. So guys, this is the output wire for the negative output. So we are connecting it here. And this is the positive output wire guys. So we are connecting it here. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. This is our synchronous motor, 220-volt 4 watts, and this is full bridge rectifier. So this is for the AC input. As you can see guys, this is the AC output for synchronous motor, and this is AC input of a full bridge rectifier. And we have the positive here and the negative for the DC output, and we have the capacitor connected parallel to it, and here is our output that we are going to use to test the bulb and see how this thing is working guys. As you can see guys, So we are not using any battery for this project, so we are going to rotate it here and power our LED bulb, guys. So guys, we want to test our project, and this is our LED bulb. So we are going to rotate this synchronous motor so that it can store more storage inside this capacitor. Then we can light up this our LED light, guys. So let me put it like this. As you can see, guys, it works. No battery, guys. So we charge our capacitor, then it light up the LED bulb. So let's try it again, guys. So our project is working, guys. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you. So let's add a switch to it. So guys, as you can see, I've already added a switch to it, as you can see, guys. So we are going to rotate it once again, then we switch it on to power our LED, but as you can see, we still have a little bit light inside. So let's try it, guys. So we rotate it very well this time, guys. So guys, as you can see, our project is working.